Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. I just hang out with my friends and I always buy something. And today I'm so excited to unbox in front of you guys. Smells so good. So I finally get the private blend from Dior. They gave me this kind of bag, which is kind of cute. Alright, let's unbox it. I may sound tired today because I had the whole day, but I'm so excited to try this on. And this is the Dioramour. So the packaging and everything looks phenomenal. It reminds me of Joy, but it's not have a lot of design. It just looks kind of classic and sleek. So I bought the Dioramour. It's in the category of sensual fragrance. It draws to me. So the salesperson told me that this one is kind of intimate fragrance. That's kind of super sexy for your partner or something. So I bought everything that he says. So this one is a 40 ml, 40 mils, and it's $100. So I think this is kind of typical price for Dior fragrance. So I think the private blend from Dior is not super high up in price, if you ask me. And they also gave you the box so you can contain it. I think this is genius. You can keep them for really sturdy and for a long time, and I love that. The bottle is sleek and it's not too pricey, so let's try it on. Smells so fresh, clean, and really beautiful. So I couldn't tell what it is, but I feel like it's kinda have a lot of citrus, but it's really cooling, fresh, and smells beautiful. And by the way, they also gave me the tester for other perfume. They gave me three smells and 2 ml each. I think that's kind of good. They sprayed on the bag and gave it to me, so they got everything right. Even the bags is beautiful. So the notes for this one is iris, jasmine, powdery notes. So I couldn't tell if it's jasmine, but it's really fresh and beautiful. So I'm curious to try this on for my nighttime, and I will keep you guys updated. I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. And this is not tomorrow from the last one. This is like a week has passed, and I would give you guys the final thought of this Dioramour. Yes guys, I've been using for the past week, and I spray before I sleep. In the morning I still could smell it. So it's super long lasting, and it's like, it reminds me a little bit of Joy, but this one is way stronger, citrusy. It's really good. And this one you can blend in with every Dior fragrance that you have. A little bit intensify and make it more sweeter. This one, I don't think I would like it that much. But I don't want you guys to think that I'm a little bit biased that it's Dior and I would love everything. But this one is that great, and I haven't heard anybody talk about it. I think this one is a great topper with any fragrance that you have. It will make it more fresh and last longer. So I would like to get it for the bigger bottle in case it's gonna discontinue or anything. So that's my review for this private blend Dioramour. So I love it that much. Thank you so much for everybody that watching this video. See you on my next video.